How to create sunrise and sunset animation. Open PowerPoint. Select blank presentation. Right-click and select layout, then blank. Insert triangle. Ctrl+D for duplicate. Select all triangle and go to Format tab. Click on Merge Shape, then Union. Zoom out slide. Insert rectangle. Follow my step. Both select and go to Format tab. Merge shape and subtract. Right-click, then Format Shape. Click to fill. Change color according to. Click on line and then no line. Insert rectangle. Follow my step. Both select and go to Format tab. Merge shape, then subtract. Again, insert rectangle and repeat last steps. Insert rectangle. Drag like me. Right-click and send to back. Go to Format tab. Shape outline and then no outline. Right-click and Format Shape. Click Gradient Fill. Remove to Gradient Stops. Click Last Stop. Give white color. Select First Stop. Give sky blue color. Give green color for background. Insert whooshes and stone. Insert custom line. Follow my step. Click on Format Shape button. Fill following color. Increase width. Click on Mountain. Send to front. Insert rectangle. Follow my step. No, line then fill color. Use eyedropper. Click on background. Insert circle. Move in this position. Fill yellow color. Click Shape Effect button. Click to glow. Give yellow color for glow. Increase size. Click Shape Fill button. Line then solid line. Fill dark yellow color. Let's animate the sun. Click on Sun and go to Animation. Click Add Animation. Scroll down and click Arcs. Click on Effect option. Click on Up. Click on Animation Path. Drag to right. Right-click on Mountain. Send to front. Adjust sun height when sunrise and sunset. Bring down the animation path and stretch from up. Test the animation by clicking Play All. Right-click on Animation. Go to Effect option. Smooth Start and Smooth End 0 second. Timing very slow.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out.
Add clouds.
While we're so ashamed to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Select clouds and go to Animation. Click to add animation. Scroll down and click lines. Effect option, then left. Follow my step. Done, press F5 from keyboard for result. Left click from mouse. Thanks for watching.